staying for the past 7 nights at Puri Hiromi boutique residence, and we're going to have a little bit of a look through as we come off the street of Jl Danau Tamblingan. They've just done these bit of pruning down here the other day. Here's our maintenance man doing the watering. Lovely plants around the sides. There's the main reception. That's the lovely Irene in there attending to a couple that have just come in for a look. The seating area out here, which is generally taken up by members of the staff when they're having a break. These are the units. Upstairs and downstairs. More units, villas down the side. And the entrance to where we were staying is just here. We originally started in the villa just down here, and we were moved over to the one just up here. They're both identical, just in reverse position. That's our door, and that's the access to upstairs. And this is a view of the pool from the outside. Seating area over here, and it's reasonably deep. It's probably about 5.5 feet deep at this point, and it goes up on a incline. I'm not sure whether you can see that, but it slides up to those 2 steps, and there's a little ridge there. So it's a reasonable sized pool. Here we have the bathroom. Towels. There's a hairdryer under there. And the wardrobe over here, which lights up when you open it up. Safe. Storage up the top. Large mirror goes right across the bathroom. Toilet. Bum wash. And the shower. Rain shower and handheld. Nice finish to the flooring. Slabs and pebbles. There's a door there that goes outside, but we won't go out there because there's only just a very small corridor. around the side of the building. And the bedroom area. Chair with a chaise, footstool. Sandals are supplied. There's a telephone on the side table. Power points and switches. Just a little quick view of the corridor outside. Just a little bit of a garden area. Very large bed. Large king bed. There's a long chaise seating area on the side. Just below the air conditioner. TV and TV table with a DVD player underneath. This is the lounge area. Front door. Seating, coffee table, stool, laminate flooring, mugs out in the pool. And up here is a kitchen area with a mid-sized fridge, microwave above it. There is a hot plate, sink, kettle, all the condiments that we need. A few Pringles that we've purchased at Sedana. And there is a fire extinguisher, which hopefully we don't have to use. Another air conditioner up the top there that's ducted. I think it's permanently on. Alcove with a nice wood decoration. Table lamp. Table, plenty of power points. Although we use powerboard as well. As you can see, there's lots of chargers that we need for the gimbals and the phones and so forth. And view across through to the bedroom over there. We have seating outside, partial sun and partial shade. Underneath a japun tree, which is a frangipani. Japun is the Balinese way of saying frangipani. And there is the pool. The pool goes across through to the adjacent unit, which we were in, and it's separated by those little steel bars, so you cannot move through to the other side. Surrounding garden area, it's all very nice. And overhanging the pool we have a mango tree with some mangoes which might fall into the pool, and Marg will snap those up and have those for breakfast, no doubt.
And a beautiful frangipani tree too, and bougainvillea. So pretty.
And I will
Tell everybody.
Yes.
We need lots of subscribers.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Wave to yourself on YouTube.
Yeah.
You know Lolly?
Lolly?
Yeah, the driver. He organised it this morning. We're having breakfast,
Ah.
and he sent me a message and said, "I've been in contact with Jati,
Jati?
and they'll come and get you and you're back." And we're like, we didn't ask him to. Oh,
Mr. Lolly, right?
he's so
Yeah.
good. He has been a lifesaver for us. He
As
went.
well as a Nick.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So we tried to book in here for the extra 4 days. We extended it. We were only meant to be here for a week, and then we decided to stay a bit longer. So we changed our flight, tried to book in here, and it was all booked out. So we had to book Jati.
I apologize for that.
But still, we love staying here, and we'll say good things about Hiromi, not bad things.
Thank you so
much. Yeah, especially the staff. Everyone says that. Every review I've ever read says how good the staff are, and how you guys all like put yourselves out to help people. And it's true. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like these videos, give a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment. There's lots more Bali Days videos on the way, so stay tuned.